What is up, guys? Welcome back to another trade recap. Today we're going to be going over how the market was looking today. We did not take a trade, okay? Fortunately, just none of our confluences got hit. But if we take a look at it, right, on the day, we had kind of, we had accumulated throughout all of Asia and London sessions, kind of came into this, this order block, breaker block, fair value gap here. So we had kind of made our retracement. I was looking for selling out of it. Marked out all these hourly lows that I wanted to see hit. I even marked out previous day lows. Okay. Similar scenario on NQ, literally the same exact price action. Although we had this, right, we had an SMT here. And then I don't think we had any other SMTs. Yeah, no. Right? Of course it doesn't want to load. Yeah, okay, we did. So I was bearish going in. We had some news coming out at 8:30. Okay, we had GDP and unemployment claims. Market wasn't too volatile at the time, so I was actually looking to take a trade. Right, see 8:30s right here. We don't really see anything. Now we had a lot of FOMC members speaking there, so whenever that's the case, I don't love to trade. Okay, like a lot of just uncertainty in the market. Nonetheless, we actually did have an entry later in the day, but I got off the charts at 10. I thought we were just going to keep continuing down, but we made a retracement to push lower. But again, like, I want to catch the move in here, And that's how I've been trading. So I'm not mad that I didn't take a trade here. I don't think TJR made a trade today. Okay, he did take a trade today. I'm assuming he took a trade off of this. Nonetheless, right, take a look here. This is my entry. We broke structure right here at 940 after sweeping some of these low time frame liquidity. Break structure. I mark out this breaker block, the order block, equilibrium. Jeez, my magnet. We gotta just screw the magnet. All right. Did not get hit. Okay, it was basically the same thing as the order block, so I just took it off. There's no reason to have both of them. And then, right, we pushed lower after almost coming into this order block. Formed this fair value gap that I wanted to see get hit. Obviously, price for values lower. Form a bunch of fair value gaps. We don't really get much. And we had taken out pretty much what would have been, right, if we go in here. Say this had come into here and hit, we would have just looked for a closeout. So we enter off shorts off this candle. Our final take profit probably would have just been these Asia session lows. Sorry, that's a previous day low from yesterday, right? That's probably what I would have targeted. I marked out this here, which didn't end up getting hit, but that was like a pretty old low. That's yesterday's low, I think. Yeah. Nonetheless, that's probably would have been my take profits. We see market, right? We see it's already come out with that without any confluences. NQ. I'm sorry. Also, we had another SMT diverge, a small time frame. We made a higher high here. We made a lower. Oh, I'm tripping out. Okay, we made a higher high. Regardless, I thought maybe there was about to be one formed. Disregard anything I just said right there. So that would have been our trade. Honestly, actually, yeah, we would have probably put our stop just like literally in the order block again. So we would have had a really good risk to reward. Nonetheless, didn't take it. Price rallied on down, and now I'm just not looking for shorts, right? Like, there's no reason to go short. We don't break structure here, but we do we do reject this 79% Fibonacci. Come in here, tap equilibrium. Right? That would be equilibrium, and we push up. Would have been a pretty solid trade, but the thing is, this price action is just so choppy, right? It's not smooth. Like, we want to trade this shit. Here, it's like, oh, you saw a fair value gap, you saw a push out of it, you might enter, like, right here. You might enter somewhere like here with stops below here and targets to, like, the order block, and you would have got stopped out. Okay, your take profit wouldn't have got hit. It's just so late in the day. You want to catch this move. Nonetheless, that's going to be it. I'm going to keep it rather short tonight, or today. Price did actually tap into our fair value gap here. And, again, we had broken structure to the downside. So that could have definitely been a play on the 1 hour, right? We're looking for shorts because higher time frames with higher powers. The 5 minute never broke to the upside, so you literally could have just saw a 1 minute break. Entering off here. Yeah, stop below that high and just target like this liquidity, which ended up getting hit at like 12 o'clock. You know, almost got stopped out. Really just not what we want to be trading. But I'm really proud of how patient I've been, and it's obviously from the lessons I learned last week. And it's just definitely been good for me, right? Not trading this is key, right? I knew the news was going to be, not great, and we weren't going to get the greatest price action. And that's just the case that we got, I want to take high-quality setups. I want to know when to not trade. And TJR might have traded today, but according to my strategy, I didn't like what I saw, okay? Like, I'm assuming he took, like, longs off of somewhere here, or maybe even, like, I don't know. He might have done this. He might have done longs off of this 79% Fibonacci extension, retracing here, and then go long. Like, I don't know. But nonetheless, guys, I'm really happy with what I've been doing, my strategy, and I think this, right, it obviously sucks that yesterday we could have made a ton of money. Today we don't get any trades, and we could be a lot closer to passing this funded than we are. But I'm learning a lot, okay? And it's not a race, it's a marathon. And that's how I've been looking at it. So that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Appreciate you guys supporting me in my journey. And I'm here forever, bro. Like, this is going to be, like, a yearly challenge, right? Like, I'm not going to make that much money so quick. Like, I'm going to be here, bro, every freaking day. I will be here posting a video. Hope you guys are along for the ride and learn trading with me. Peace out.